Testing, testing. Can everyone hear me? Okay, so welcome back to apartment hunting, episode 1. If you guys are here, I'm so thankful for you guys and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's just get started. So since we have like a live audience, you know, this shit's gonna get real. It's gonna get real. So the first building you'll be seeing is, you know, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and it has 24/7 fitness center. It's convenient to downtown and it has high-speed internet, laundry facilities, not inside the room though. And it has a clubhouse, a saltwater pool, and a volleyball court.
So let's be real, no one really cares about the closet and the bathroom.
The second place that we are going to be looking at is almost like a dorm style place. The cheapest ones, because we're all, you know, cheap and broke, the cheapest ones are studio style. They almost look like dorms. So like if you're not ready to quite grow up, then you can just, you know, move into here and it's great. There are 2 shared kitchen areas because in the room you don't have a full-sized kitchen. So if you really want to, you can go to these little kitchen areas and, you know, just see around and meet new people. There is like a living area where you can watch TV, and there is a lounge area where you can just go to hang out and have like community parties, and basically it's a dorm for adults. So if you guys don't really want to grow up all the way, this is your place. And the balcony is beautiful. This is definitely the best balcony that anyone will have. It's not very big, but yeah, if you have pets, beware because they're not allowed. So you're gonna have to sneak that bitch in, or you will have to put them outside or at home or something, and you just gotta kick them out because there's no pets allowed. So the third place is passenger flats, and you're gonna see 3 different layout rooms, and the last one's personally my favorite. It's the best. It has a really nice bathtub. But the first 2 are studio apartments, and if you think about it, they kind of look like hotel rooms. So if you've always had the dream to be in Gossip Girl, then you can have your own hotel room. But like I said, it's a studio, so it's basically like a 1-bed hotel. So just get ready for that. It's a little quaint, it's very small. It also has laundry rooms that are for everybody. Everybody uses the laundry rooms. There's none in your room, which kind of sucks if you ask me. And yeah, we like to be bougie in this bitch.
So this is the little community area and the gym, and again, no one really cares, so I cut a lot of this out. But look at that pool. That's a lazy river right there. Holy shit. And this is the second apartment. It's just a little bigger. It's a little bigger. And the balcony.
So the third bedroom is kind of what I'm looking at. It's amazing and I love it. So I think if you guys are trying to go for that apartment, to back the fuck off because I want it. Yeah, so I just have to get a good job in order to get it. So I guess stay tuned for that, you guys, in the next episode on apartment hunting.
Let me tell you, this bitch has 2 bathrooms and 2 balconies. What the fuck does one person need that for? A 1 bedroom, what do you need that for? But wait for it. You guys, wait for it. Holy shit, wait for that tub. You can kind of get a glance. Wait for it. Look at all its glory. My god.
The third place, you will see 2 different rooms, and they kind of look a lot alike. The first one is a little bit smaller, it's a little bit cheaper, so if you guys are cheap like me, you might want to go for that one, but it's right off the street, so it's a little sketch. It's like a motel type.
Can we talk about this view though? Like, what the fuck?
And the second one is up around the corner and it's down like this long hallway, but it's still like a motel type. So you just guys, you pick whichever one you like. You know, like if you want that motel, you go get that motel room.
So somebody had a little emergency, so we had to cut this part off pretty fast, so that's what happened there.
And the very last one, I've been to these apartments before, as I've been to the ones I went to at the very beginning, the first place I've been to, and this last place I've been to. And if you guys know Haley from my freshman year, she lived in these apartments and it was very cute. And we got to see 2-bedroom apartments, and I told this bitch I wasn't gonna live in a 2-bedroom, but she showed me 2 bedrooms anyway, which is fine. She's from my hometown, Huntsville, represent the 256A, girl. She even named her daughter Madison because that's where she lived. I was like, that's so cute. But yeah, so the first apartment you see is the deluxe and the second is the original. So basically the deluxe version without one half of the apartment would be the 1-bedroom. So I technically had to see it, technically not, but yeah.
So the first place is going to be the showroom, so it has stuff in it. But the second place she took us to, like, wasn't really a tour room, so it doesn't have anything in it. So that's why you'll see, like, blank ass shit, like nothing in there. And that is it of this boring ass tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.
We had a lot of fun. I'm fucking tired from this episode, so I'm exhausted. If you guys liked this episode, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below so I know to do another episode. Hit the little bell if you guys want notifications on my videos, and if you want emails for when I upload more videos and episodes like this. I love being the host. Like, it's so much fun. I love this job. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next episode.